Okie dokie, we're doing something special today. Yes, I'm out here at the second Hornbrook exit. You can see my house way over there on the hillside. But I'm here because I subscribe to the Ride Along Gang, which is a truck driver who drives nationwide. And he'll be coming right up this way here real soon. And we'll be getting a honk and a wave and all kinds of other goodies. Where you at, Bobby? Where you hiding?
And it looks like here comes the second one.
Yeehaw, Bobby! Live streaming. Bobby coming up the hill here real quick.
I don't see nobody.
Hey, Bobby, you passed me already. I was over there talking to some people who were interested in my truck, but here I am.